Hello and welcome to the second question of Applications to Trig project. This question states to approximate the distance across a pond on a golf course from point A to point C, a smart golfer walks 525 meters from point A to point B. She then turns around 70 degrees counterclockwise and walks 400 meters to point C. What is the length of the pond? And it gives us this actual side length we're trying to find, which is AC, side length A to C, the distance in meters. So we're going to begin by drawing our triangle. Actually, let's do a little bit better triangle than that. All right, draw our triangle. We're going to label it A, B, and C. And we know that a smart golfer or somebody walked 525 meters from point A to point B. So we're going to label that 525 meters. She turns 70 degrees counterclockwise and walks 400 meters to point C. So we know that from point B to point C, she walked 400 meters. But before that, it gives us that she turned 70 degrees counterclockwise, and this will be 400 meters. And then we're trying to find AC, so this is going to be our x variable. All right. So this word problem gave us side angle side. And in order to solve a side length given side angle side, we're going to be using the law of cosines. So let's just write this out. Law of cosines. All right. So since we're solving for x, we're going to have x squared is equal to the other two side lengths, the sum of their squares. So 525 squared plus 400 squared minus 2 times the two side lengths again, so 525. And that multiplied by the cosine of angle B, which is 70. So we're going to do that times the cosine of 70. And these questions are rather easy because you can basically plug this whole equation into a calculator and it'll basically give you the answer for x squared. So we're going to have x squared is roughly equal to, then let's plug it into our calculator. We're going to have x squared is roughly equal to 291,976.5398. And this is not even roughly equal to, that's actually the exact value. So, oh no. Okay, eraser. Let's just take off the roughly. Oh, that's not too good. Okay, now it's okay though. It's okay. Alrighty. Okay, x squared is equal to that. And then in order to take the squared from x and just have x, what we're going to do is we're going to take the square roots of both sides. So we're going to have x is roughly equal to the square root of our number, which is equal to 540. Let's leave it to a whole number. So is roughly equal to 500, actually, to the nearest tenth. 540.3 meters. That's our answer. I hope you guys understood this problem, and I'll be with you for question 3 soon.